Again, just remember, you don't want to get close. You don't want to try to put your hand out and interact with that dog if they want nothing to do with you. They're clearly telling you to stay away. And if you pursue that, even though they're man's best friend, that dog may have a fear of you. You need to completely disengage. Staring is also a threat in the dog's eyes. So you don't want to lock eyes for longer than a few seconds because that can be deemed threat. Just some helpful tips from Barkbusters Vegas. There's definitely a lot of misconception about these types of dogs. Generally, they're very, very kind animals. This isn't their personality or indicative of who they are as a dog. Personality-wise, they're just fearful of you or circumstance and reacting accordingly. Hope this helps y'all.